entering the city centre of Johannesburg on the west side, and we are going to visit the Oriental Plaza this morning to show you all the retailers. All the importers of the industry are mainly all together under one roof, so that is a main building or a main shopping center where you can start off buying all your materials and haberdashery. Come and have a walk with me and I will show you around where you can buy from. Importers are here, beautiful textiles, laces, linens, whatever you want. Come with me and let's go and have a look. We are here in a retail shop. The owner is from Pakistan and he is importing some of his material and he's also buying locally. Now some of these people that import as well can supply to you at a much cheaper rate normally, but as he explained to us that he is also buying wholesale from suppliers in South Africa. So this is where you can come and buy different materials and you can buy meter by meter, so you needn't buy rolls. That is mostly much easier, so that you can come with your client and you can buy whatever you need and you needn't buy rolls. You will also see what is marked on the shelves. That is the price for today or for this month. He has marked down as he explained. So here is a special on. Yes, a lovely variety of satins and velvets and velours, chiffons, georgettes, whatever your need is, you can come and buy. Where you can buy all your consumables, your bindings, your zips, nice trimmings, whatever you need. Please come with me and let's have a look inside what they have to offer at wholesale or retail. guys, I'm just having a chat with a lady here from Mafeking, and your name is? Julia. Julia from Mafeking is here at Oriental Plaza. You see, the people are coming from very far, hey, to come and buy. Do you often come here to do your buying at the Oriental Plaza? And you say you manufacture, you make garments. And what kind of garments do you make?
So most of the time I like to make
Formal wear, evening gowns and things like that. And do you supply to the community? And how did you know to come here? Who told you about the Oriental Plaza? A friend of yours. And do you find most of what you need? Do you find it here at the Oriental Plaza? Everything you need. Oh, wonderful. And tell me, have you ever bought from wholesalers when you need bulk, when you need big quantities? Do you also buy from wholesalers, other factories as well? Is it? And is it near the Oriental? Is most of the factories around here where you can buy, or Newlands as well? You also go there. Oh, it's wonderful to meet you, Julia. Students, this is Julia, and we say thank you, Julia, for just meeting you this morning. And good luck on your entrepreneurship. How long have you been going now? 8 years. And are you earning enough to make it worthwhile? Can you feed your family and buy again new material to go on with? And during the 8 years, have your company grown? Or your business?
Yes, it's grown very big.
It has grown.
Very small. It's a small boutique.
But you must give me your information. Okay, because we want to help these other entrepreneurs. They are new, they are beginners, and we want to show them where there's a will, and there's a vision, and there's a way. You had a vision. I'm sure you had a vision when you started. And then it went with faith. Am I right? And you've just looked into the future and you went for it. And it's 8 years later and you're still going. You can still earn a living, and you can still buy bread, and you can dress smart, and you can come here and come and buy. You can buy a car. You see? You can buy a car. Thank you, Julia. Thanks. Morning. We are here in Jerry's exclusive bridal designer fabrics in the Oriental Plaza. Now I know Jerry from, was it 16 years ago, Jerry, or was it 18 years ago? I can't even remember. Jerry has ever since then expanded his range of materials and his services to designers of the whole nation. As we had an interview previously with was it Julia, who said she's coming from Mafeking. Now Jerry, I know you've got designers and people coming from all over the country, am I right, coming to buy from you. And what do you think during the last years, did the industry of designers and manufacturers, did they grow or did they fade away? What's going on? We trying to motivate people and young designers and entrepreneurs to set up manufacturing companies so that our industry in manufacturing and design can grow again. But what was your experiences during the past 10 years?
When it comes to manufacturing, I think we're way behind the rest of the world. Completely, and to catch up with the rest of the world with our labor cost is going to be impossible as far as manufacturing is concerned. We're better off importing most fabrics. We try to manufacture certain fabrics here that will cost us, say, around 50 Rand, and you can import it at less than 20.
Is that so? We cannot beat the manufacturing.
I don't think so. Definitely. When you look at the silk industry, there are people in this country that try to manufacture silk here.
And
was
what's
impossible.
the result?
People producing silk have been doing it for 300-400 years, like in China and India, and for our people to come in and catch up now,
no, it's impossible.
it's going to be impossible.
It's
so
impossible.
what we should forget about manufacturing and
the textiles,
exactly,
in the textiles.
Exactly.
But what about manufacturing, our garment manufacturers?
That's fine. That we should.
We need to boost that industry.
Exactly. We can go in and boost that industry, but as far as manufacturing
of textiles,
is
no,
concerned,
forget it. Yeah,
we
or
can
not
try,
forget it, but
definitely.
we cannot compete with the quality we can get abroad.
Exactly.
At the rand dollar, am I right?
Exactly.
Yes.
With the exchange rate and things.
But on the designing side and the designers, what did you find during the past 10 years? Did designers grow? Is there more designers coming to you?
Definitely they are.
Supporting?
But it's a very tough industry, and I think it's not.
It's competitive.
It's hard work. Yeah.
It's hard work.
And those that are prepared to work harder will do better in the end.
Okay. Yes. But now. Your textiles, where from do you import?
Well, from
You've
all
got a
over, mostly
lovely
from
range.
France.
We can just look on the shop.
From France, Italy, Switzerland, Taiwan, England, Europe, from the entire world, yeah.
You've got the most beautiful range I have seen in a long time, I must say.
Well, they say if you can't get it at Jerry's, it ain't worth buying.
Okay, did you hear that? If you can't get it from Jerry's, it ain't worth buying. We remember that one. Designers, remember
We're
that?
busy with our designer fabric store upstairs. We're just refurbishing it. And we'll have beautiful basic fabrics that will suit every pocket. Right?
Is that every
We're
pocket,
also
yes.
opening a store right next door to it that we will be selling fabrics for 5 and 10 Rand a meter. The maximum price of 20 Rand per meter. So,
now, Jerry, are you...
I suppose we'll be able to meet every market, the exclusive market, the basic market, and the job market.
That's it, yeah, for all manufacturers and designers.
Definitely.
Jerry, I want to say thank you very much and nice to see you again. And
by the way, I charge $36,000 an hour.
Is it for the interview?
Yeah.
Now,
So,
please, you better manufacture so
I'll
that
send
I
you
can pay
a
this
bill
man.
very soon, so just convert it into rands and let me have a nice picture.
No, you remember years ago I told you I'm supporting you so much. I actually should have then had shares in your business, but this is now payback time.
Okay.
You see, so this is the interview. Thank you, Jerry.
Thanks a lot.
Thank you very
Okay.
much.
Thanks.
We are now at Neme Wholesalers, and we're going to have a visit around town at different wholesalers. Now, wholesalers are the people that import the material directly from the north, from India, from the east, wherever, and they are then again selling to wholesale manufacturers that manufacture bulk and again supply to retailers. Now, the retail is the people that we have visited in the Oriental Plaza. They are the retailers selling to the individual, selling to anyone that is coming into their shop. Now, we will have a conversation with these wholesalers and find out to who they are supplying to. Will they supply to us as the individual designer or the entrepreneur, to who they are supplying to. Now, we are at Neme Wholesalers. We are in Wielligh in Oriental Plaza, which is the west of the suburbs of Johannesburg city centre. Come with me and let's go and meet Evie at Neme Wholesalers. We are here at Neme Wholesalers and Fabrics in Johannesburg, Fordsburg, am I right? Fordsburg, near the Oriental Plaza, which we had previously visited this morning. And we say thank you very much to the director of Neme Fabrics, Enver Mohammed. Thank you very much for being willing to have this interview with us and to tell us a little bit more about your business and the business of the wholesalers of the industry of textiles and manufacturing and supply. We would like to know, as I explained to you, this is for students and new entrepreneurs in the industry, which we need more, as we both know. We need more manufacturers, garment manufacturers, as to supply you. Otherwise, if there's no manufacturers, you won't get rid of all the massive material which you are importing. Now, Mr. Mohammed, if you can just tell us a bit more, is all your material imported? Or is there some local suppliers, mills where you get this material from?
The bulk of it is imported, but we do quite a substantial amount with local manufacturers when we are able to get the product. Certain items not manufactured in South Africa, mostly polyester filament yarns.
Polyester is not manufactured in South Africa,
not
or
all.
is it?
Certain
not
kinds
all.
of polyester are not manufactured in South Africa, so we have to import them.
Okay.
But in the local industry, when it comes to cottons, it comes to acrylic, when it comes to curtaining, all that we are doing from the local suppliers.
And where's our manufacturers of the textile, of that kind of textile, cotton, linens, curtaining, where does that take place?
Well, most of the manufacturers are scattered all over the country. Some in the Cape Town area, some in Pretoria, some in the Durban, Hammersdale area. But they're scattered. Each one is specializing in something different.
And they mostly supply to you, the wholesaler, not to me, the retailer and the manufacturer?
No,
not so much.
Unless you can satisfy the minimum requirements, which is inevitably something in the region of 300 to 500 meters of color, then they will consider an order from you. Otherwise, it is made specifically per order for us, our own designing. They have certain ranges that are open. Those ranges are sold to retailers directly, but it's also volume business.
Volume business.
The kind of trade that you're looking for, we are supposed to be the suppliers.
You are the supplier.
When you need 20 meters and 30 meters and 50 meters, the manufacturer won't entertain you.
Okay, so you will entertain me. So I'm the designer, I'm a newcomer to the industry, manufacturing. Now I want to buy, what is my minimum meters which I can
Well,
come
it
and buy
varies
from
from
you?
firm to firm, but our policy is not less than 10 meters.
Less, not less. But the average will be, for a design I need say 4 or 5 meters, am I right? For a nice
per
design,
garment,
per
yeah.
garment. So I can make two, that's a good ratio. You need at least 10 meters from a specific roll, am I right?
That's it.
I've just seen at the local, at the Oriental, that there are retailers which I have they noticed that some of the materials that I've been buying from you are available there in the Oriental as well.
Our market is supplying retail stores and designers.
Okay, and those retail stores again buy from you, are they buying it at the same price than I am buying it from you?
Providing you buy more than 10 meters, you get the
It's
same
more
price.
the same. So the retail at the Oriental is now putting on his extra
Markup.
profit, markup, and he's then selling it
Sure.
again. So I will profit if I come and buy from you. I will benefit
Most certainly.
from that.
Most certainly.
Thank you very much. And now you will know, new designer, new entrepreneur, you're welcome. Come to the wholesaler. You are really benefiting from that. Mr. Mohammed and plenty of the other wholesalers are here to support you, and we need more designers, we need more manufacturers or retailers, am I right? They can be retailers, they can come and buy the material and just reselling the material, am I right? Not even manufacturing it. That's also a good business to go into, right? That's also a good business. So think about that, and you're welcome.
See the showroom.
And we can go and have a look at the showroom where there's all kinds of materials. We're going to have a look there. It's from Centre for Advanced Training,
How are you?
where most of this, you must tell us where we must start. We are now in the showroom, so the procedure will be when come and visiting a wholesaler, there will most oftenly be a showroom where you will go in. They aren't very frequently welcoming you between their shelves, as to say, am I right?
That's correct.
They wouldn't like you to come and
Into the warehouse.
into the warehouse and into the rows. There will be a showroom like
There's a
this.
sample for every
For-
piece of fabric that
Is
we
it?
have.
And it is marked clearly what is the cost of this. Am I right? This is our wool and wool blend.
What it